再来看美国的移民与海关执法局伫咧明尼苏达州开枪大死民众，引发大规模的抗议甲冲突。即摆北京的边境主管霍曼表示讲，要来撤离大约700个联邦执法人员，留2000个人伫咧当地，强调这毋是撤退，是调整做更较精准的执法行动。不过当地居民有关是保持怀疑，无法度安心。
北京边境事务主管霍曼测试伫明尼阿波利斯证实，联邦政府已经开始裁减明州的移民执法规模，差不多700个 ICE 边境巡逻人员会随撤离，结束这几礼拜的行动。
What I have made clear, we're doing targeted enforcement operation. When we leave this building, we know who we're looking for, where we're most likely to find them, what their immigration record is, what their criminal record is, but as we continue to be forced in the communities, when we go to arrest that criminal target, if we find an illegal alien there, they're coming.
霍曼也强调，这摆撤离无代表行动停止 ，ICE 也是会继续伫社区执行任务，只是登去到锁定目标的执法模式。伊也坦白讲，未来敢会进一步撤离，就要看地方政府甲社区敢有配合。就算联邦政府讲行动裁减，明州真侪所在抗议也未收煞，部分居民认为撤700个人只是代表性让步尔，无法度化解社区长期的不安甲无信任，甚至烦恼因只是调去别个所在。
First thought is. Yay, that we're getting fewer enforcement officers in our community, but my second thought is they're just going to be redirected to terrorize another community, so it's sort of like, it doesn't make me feel good.
面对这个，霍曼强调，政府最后的目标就是结束这波征援行动。不过前提是地方停止对 ICE 人员的干扰甲暴力行为。伊也表示，国土安全部已经伫明州优先全面配随身的摄影机，强化执法透明度。
My goal with the support of President Trump is to achieve a complete drawdown and end this surge as soon as we can. But that is largely contingent upon the end of the illegal and threatening activities against ICE and its federal partners that we're seeing in the community.
联邦政府想要透过裁减人力为局势降温，也毋过伫移民执法甲社区的信任之间问题，也是无通解决。ICE 敢会当真正继续退出明州，也是干那重新部署到其他的社区，这有待观察。公司新闻陈伟玲、郑建公编译。